Ever wondered why you're eating healthy but still not losing weight? Could it be related to portion control? You see, it's not just about the quality of what we eat, but also the quantity. That's where portion control comes in. It's the practice of determining the right amount of food that our body needs. Not too much and not too little. It's about balance. Understanding portion control can be the key to maintaining a balanced diet and achieving your health goals. Many of us have misconceptions about what constitutes a portion. Let's clear that up. You see, the word portion is often confused with serving size. The two, however, are not synonymous. A serving size is a standardized amount set by health authorities, while a portion is the amount of food that ends up on your plate. For instance, a serving size for pasta is typically half a cup. But how often do we limit ourselves to that when serving ourselves spaghetti at dinner? More often than not, our portions are considerably larger. Another common example is a bag of chips. The label might indicate that it contains 4 servings, but how many of us finish the whole bag in one sitting? These are everyday instances where misunderstanding portions can lead to overeating. Knowing the difference between a portion and a serving size can be a game changer when it comes to your diet. Now that we've cleared up some misconceptions, it's time to master the art of portion control. First off, let's talk about estimating portion sizes using household items. This is a simple and effective way to visualize the right amount of food. Picture a deck of cards. That's about the size of a 3-ounce serving of meat, poultry, or fish. A tennis ball? That's roughly a half cup of fruits, vegetables, or grains. A 4-sided die? That's about a teaspoon of oils or spreads. This mental imagery can help you keep your portions in check. Next, let's consider the importance of reading food labels. They provide valuable information about serving sizes and the number of servings per package. It's easy to assume that a small bag of chips or a bottle of juice is 1 serving, but often it's more. So, take a moment to read the label. You might be surprised at what you find. Thirdly, consider using smaller plates and bowls. It's a psychological trick, but it works. A smaller plate that's full will make you feel more satisfied than a large plate that's half empty. It's all about perception. Also, remember to slow down and savor your food. Eating slowly not only allows you to enjoy your meal more, but it also gives your body time to register that you're full. Try to make your meals last at least 20 minutes. Lastly, keep in mind that portion control doesn't mean you have to eat less of everything. It's about eating more of the right things. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. And there you have it. Portion control is not about deprivation. It's about balance and moderation. It's about understanding that you can enjoy your favorite foods, just in smaller amounts. With these steps, portion control becomes less of a challenge and more of a daily habit. So, what can you gain from mastering portion control? Well, there's a plethora of benefits waiting to be unlocked. Portion control is your secret weapon for maintaining a healthy weight. By serving yourself just the right amount of food, you can say goodbye to overeating and unintentional weight gain. It's not just about the scales, though. Portion control also plays a significant role in reducing the risk of heart disease and other health conditions. Consuming too much of any food, even the healthy ones, can increase calorie intake and lead to health complications. But there's more. Portion control promotes a balanced diet, ensuring you get a wide variety of nutrients from different food groups. It encourages mindful eating, making you more aware of what and how much you're eating. And let's not forget, it can help you enjoy your favorite foods without guilt. Because portion control is about balance, not deprivation. The benefits of portion control go beyond just weight loss. It's about leading a healthier, balanced lifestyle. In conclusion, portion control is a vital aspect of a healthy diet. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can transform our relationship with food and significantly improve our health. To recap what we've delved into, the first step is recognizing the misconceptions about portion sizes. It's easy to underestimate the amount we're consuming, especially with today's supersized food culture. But with awareness and understanding, we can recalibrate our perspective. Next, we discuss the steps to master portion control. Using smaller plates, paying attention to hunger cues, and incorporating more fruits and vegetables into our meals are just a few strategies that can help in maintaining appropriate portion sizes. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about balance and moderation. Lastly, we highlighted the numerous benefits of portion control. From weight management to reduced risk of heart disease and diabetes, portion control can be a game changer in our journey towards a healthier lifestyle. It's an empowering habit that allows us to enjoy a variety of foods while still looking after our well-being. But the journey doesn't end here. Practice makes perfect, and portion control is no exception. Encourage yourself to keep learning, experimenting, and adapting to this lifestyle. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating right. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.